Let's find out what are the key features of PROCA tool for bacterial genome annotation. PROCA is widely used bioinformatics tool designed for rapid and comprehensive annotation of prokaryotic genome, particularly bacterial genome. Here are the key features that make PROCA a valuable resource in genomic research. Significant feature is speed and efficiency. PROCA is designed to annotate bacterial genome quickly, typically completing the process about 10 minutes on a standard desktop computer. This efficiency is crucial for high throughput sequencing projects where time is a factor. Additionally, comprehensive annotation. PROCA annotate various genomic features including protein coding gene, which can be identified using the Prodigler algorithm, including protein coding gene, RNA gene, and non-coding RNAs. The another one is multiple output format. PROCA generates standard output files that are compatible with various bioinformatics tools and databases, including gene feature format, that is GFF3, gene bank, ASN1, and FASTA lines for both nucleotide and protein sequences. Additionally, integration of existing tools. PROCA acts as a wrapper around several established software tools, combining their functionality to streamline the annotation process without reinventing the existing methodology. It also has feature of parallel processing. The tool utilizes multiple processing core to enhance the performance, making it suitable for multiple core systems. This parallelization significantly reduces the runtime for large dataset. Along with that, functional annotation. After identifying the coding sequence, PROCA can predict the functions of the protein by comparing them against various databases like SwissProt using BLAST and also motif databases like PFAM with Hammer. Additionally, it also has a user-friendly command line interface. While it operates via command line, PROCA is straightforward to use, allowing researchers and scientists to easily integrate it into their genomic analysis pipeline. And lastly, support for detailed analysis. PROCA is well suited for iterative model of sequence analysis, thus enabling researchers to refine annotation as new data become available or as the additional analyses are conducted. Thus, PROCA's combination of speed, comprehensive feature detection, and integration of multiple annotation tools make it an essential resource for researchers and scientists working with the bacterial genome. Its ability to produce standardized output facilitates further analysis and also enhances the collaboration within scientific community. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and do share these information among your scientific endeavor. Thank you.